Jumping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly hot like a sauna. Busting nothing, no one trying to weave an anaconda.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is JANAE, and today I'm showing you how to clean your wax pot at home. So the last video I showed y'all how to wax, but if you have your own wax pot, you need to know how to clean it because you gotta stay sanitary if you're gonna do this stuff at home, you know. So first you need a wax pot, then you need some paper towel, and then I use the GG Shore Clean, or you could just use alcohol. So I have it heated up. You want it to get hot, of course, so all the leftover wax melts. So then you're going to use paper towel and just scoop up everything that you can. And be careful and don't burn yourself. So you literally just go in there and scoop it all up. I'm just like swirling it around, trying to scoop up as much as I can. The good thing about this wax is that it don't get that hot anyways. I'm making a mess, don't be like me, I just gotta go all over me, but realistically you should probably have some gloves on. That'll help. But anyways, then you're gonna go in with the Shore Clean. I like to just pour a little in. And then get some more paper towel and pour it on. And then go all in there. Go in on the sides of it. I'm making such a mess, y'all. But this is the part about waxing that they don't tell you about. Alright, one more time. And I'm just going on the outside of it too. have it super hot. That's why it's taking me a little longer. Only got it on 140, but it got the job done. Now, this is what it looks like. Nice and clean. If the wax pot don't look like that, you don't need to be getting wax with it. Don't be afraid to ask your waxer, can you see the pot? Like, it's your right. If you see the wax pot look real dirty, and that mean that they ain't washed, cleaned it out and did a deep clean in some months, and they need to do that. So yeah, that's it for this video. Real short and simple, but I just wanted to get on here and show y'all. I'm showing y'all how to wax, so I need to at least show y'all how to clean it too. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
Say hasta luego.